Hey guys, this is Dave LeBlanc here with Green Valley Carpet Cleaning up in southern Vermont, and I've driven down here to Jersey to Magic Wand Company to pick up this brand new ETM setup with the Vortex Lite. Super excited about it. I got a small van, as you can see, and it all fit, and it fit with some room to spare, so I am super excited about that. I think it's going to be a very sweet, profitable setup. Good on gas, maneuverable, the whole 9 yards. Obviously the hose reel, solution reel mounted, room in between, diesel fired heater, Vortex light coming out the side, generator in the back. I don't think you can ask for a more streamlined setup than this for just making money right out of the gate. Low maintenance, low gas cost, fuel efficient, electrical option when needed, portable when needed, closed door accounts, open door accounts. I mean, you name it, you can do it with this setup. Tile and grout cleaning because of the ferocious heat that this puts out. I think it's just a perfect setup whether you're a startup or, like me, a more established company that wants to grow and be more efficient with his day-to-day operations without breaking the budget. This, I think, is the perfect way to go. You can get it at Magic Wand Company. Super excited about it. They've had a lot of testimonies about this particular setup. It's had 2 years of track record to prove its worth, and it hasn't disappointed. As you can see, simple setup, right out of the side of the van. Everything's right there, ease of access. You have your autofill, auto dump. Everything's in the front, switches on the side. You don't have to fight with the machine. You don't have to pull it out to hook up the garden hose like other machines. Generators already flip a switch, you're running. 30-second startup. Pull your hoses into the building, fire up the diesel heater. I mean, you can't ask for a simpler setup. If you need to pull it out, easy. It's got maneuverable wheels, locking casters. It's not going to move. It's not going to tip. Strap down. I mean, it's just a great setup. 150 feet, 200 feet of hose. You can easily run on this machine without losing vacuum. You can clean all your residentials with that, your small commercial, even mid-grade commercial you could do with a setup like this. And if you had to move the van, you just move the van. I just think it's a fantastic setup for fuel savings. So I'm super excited. I think it's going to make me a lot of money a lot quicker than what I was doing before and a lot more effectively. So Green Valley Carpet Cleaning here, just super stoked, and I can't wait to try it out.